Strawberry Shortcake. My shoe's looking swell.
Hello and welcome. I'm Lindsay Crane and these are my retro craft dreams. Today, it's my birthday. And that's very awkward. I don't know why, I always feel really awkward around my birthday, and I probably wouldn't even, make a thing of it, except there's something I've been wanting to recreate, and it just feels like my birthday is the perfect time for it. This is me on my 3rd birthday with my Strawberry Shortcake pillow doll. I believe my mom's friend made it for me. I just remember she kind of had a floppy neck. I have no idea what became of it, but I've kind of been wanting to recreate it and make a new one. And turns out it's pretty easy to do. I only needed 3 things: some stuffing, some thread, and a pristine vintage cut and sew panel. Cut and sew panels were a time-honored sewing shortcut, and they were quite abundant in the 70s and 80s and have been around since at least the 30s and 40s when they were printed on flour sacks. However, since it is a sewing shortcut, I don't think this is going to take me very long. And I kind of thought, that's not really enough for a whole episode. So what other very lovely crafts can I do? At first, I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to finally do one of my Strawberry Shortcake cross-stitch patterns. But that's gonna take a while, and I got too much other stuff to make right now. So I went on eBay, as you do if you like vintage things and can't find them in your neighborhood. And I was looking for other Strawberry Shortcake crafts, and I found this gal, a paint by number vinyl figure. She is from 1980, as is the cut and sew panel. I might also do a little unboxing of a gift I bought for myself that I don't know what's inside. I mean, I do, but I don't. It's a mystery box. So join me today. We're gonna do some sewing, we're gonna do some painting, and we're gonna unbox some yarn. I might even make a cake if I can find a pan big enough for the cake mold. A very special cake mold that I found at a yard sale. I'm just gonna try and have a very nice birthday, and I want to share it with you. So let's get going. I hope we'll have a very good time. Okay, she has been pre-washed and pressed, and it's time to cut her out. So, sorry, 40-year-old fabric. It's time to meet your maker. No going back now. All right, now for the tricky part, because my machine goes too fast and there are some curves in here, so I may have to turn this by hand. It's not really fast. Is it tedious? Little. If I had more time, if I had started this a little sooner, I think I actually would much rather have hand stitched it. And I'm kind of thinking that sometime in the future, I will look for the smaller version of this and embroider her and hand sew her. And I think that could be a really sweet project. She's gonna have a floppy neck. I think it's not avoidable. She's very agreeable. She's done. And oh, no glasses. Right? While this is the project that the grown-up would do for the child, this is the project the child can do. She is a paint by number kit. I did find one of these still in the package, complete with paints and instructions. However, I kind of figured I'm gonna open this thing. And I also don't know if the paints are gonna be any good. So I figured it was probably best that somebody else get the one in the package, somebody who maybe wants to keep it in that package. And I was able to find just the figurine, save myself a little bit of money. I also was able to at least get the pictures from that other listing. So I can still see the instructions. I don't have the paints, but I got my own paint. So I will need to decide if I want to recreate the integrity of the kit and just use the 4 colors that it included, which were red, white, brown, and green, I believe. Or if I want to, you know, use the right colors from the paints that I have and, you know, mix them accurately to reflect the actual doll. First thing though, she's a little dirty, she's a little dusty, so she's gonna need a bath. We're gonna scrub her up a little and get painting. Oh yeah, this is nothing like painting. my god, she looks like she's squinting and really angry. There's her base coat. Yeah, she looks very pouty. This could go horribly wrong. Got a little. Oh my god. Got a little Grinch smile and then it just went off the rails. My cake decorating skills are non-existent. That's my cursed strawberry shortcake cake. Okay. I wanted to put some seeds on, but the sprinkles in the correct color are very old, so that didn't happen. This is one craft I am not good at. I don't know, she's only a little bit cursed. My birthday present arrived. It only took like 2 days. So I am going to open it immediately and you can't stop me. My hair is still wet. This you cannot see. So I was browsing on Etsy, looking at yarn. Well, lately I've been buying a lot of lots of vintage yarn, and that will hopefully come up when I get to more knitting projects. However, I came across this one that was a listing for a mystery box o' yarn. There's supposed to be 10 hanks or skeins or whatever in here for like $25 plus the flat rate shipping. I think it was like a quilt shop that had been selling yarn, but they are ceasing to sell the yarn, so they're like, you know, getting rid of it. I have 2 hanks of yarn that are like high quality, natural fiber, really nice, and don't really know where to start with choosing more. I chose one as one of my last shopping trips in Seattle before I left, and I thought it made sense for my first hand-dyed yarn to come from Seattle. And then the other was actually a gift from my dad when he went to an alpaca farm. You know, other than that, like, I don't really need them. They are pricey, they're beautiful. How do you choose? Well, this is how I choose. So let's get in here. Let's not stab myself. Am I awkward? Yes, I am. They're purple and blue. Oh, they're pretty. Oh, that's pretty. So this is, I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that, hand painted cotton. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm an artisan yarn noob, so I don't even know what you're gonna want to know, but this is called, the color name is Santa Catalina. I have been working in cotton for like 2 months now, and I am thrilled with that one. Okay, and then we have, ooh, oh, so squish. So we have the same, it looks like a lot of them are the same yarn company. This is a sock yarn. Hand painted superwash. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, more purple. Okay, it's another hand painted cotton. So, ooh, so that means like these can go together. Oh, yay. Okay, so there's that one. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce these right now. Like, that's just not gonna happen. Okay, we have another sock yarn. I don't know what to say about that one. Capuchin bird. We got more in here. We are not done yet. Ooh, it's wool. It is Queensland Collection Brisbane. Pure Australian superwash. Oh, that's a gorgeous color. Ooh, okay, that one's like pretty retro. Look at that. Okay, that is really fun. So that's the same kind as that. Does it have a color name? 8. Color 8. I like that one a lot. Okay, we have some green, more hand-painted cotton. Oh, that is gorgeous color. Okay, I'm happy. Okay, and then we have a little ball. This is another superwash and with some nylon. So Queensland Collection Perth. Oh, look at, it's all purpley. I got so much purple, man. I wasn't expecting that. Wow. And then, oh, I need this. Like this, okay, so we have cotton, black cotton, like sock weight. I need this. You're gonna see why in like 1 or 2 videos from now. And I was having to use I was gonna have to use a black cotton from Walmart because Hobie didn't have it in black. I need this. I didn't think I'd ever be so excited to see black yarn, but oh my God, I need this. That's amazing. Okay. And then I have a purple one as well. I just really like it. Okay, we got 4 more in here. We've got a beautiful peachy color called Petal. I mean, okay, the saturation's a little mismatched, but I mean, those are 80s colors. Those will be fun. Okay, we got another hand-painted cotton in blue. And then we have another one of these superwash wools in, no, this one doesn't have, some of them have names and some of them don't. And then last but not least, oh, I love this color. Well, I'm gonna have to film some close-ups, but this is like, oh wait, there's more. There's where to go. There's another one. I've been a little bit naughty because you don't even know yet, but I was supposed to be stash busting and I have bought so much yarn in the last like 2 or 3 months. But I am really pleased. Now, you know, sure, there could have been some more like, you know, things like this with different variations. Rainbowy colors would have been really nice, but I think these are things that I'm actually gonna be able to use, and that's really, really awesome. And oh geez, like just, I mean, yeah, now that I have some sock yarn, I guess I gotta learn to make socks, don't I? I'm still like so flabbergasted that this is exactly what I needed. Like, oh my God. Okay, well, that's my birthday present, and I am now covered in yarn. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting and have a very great day. I'm dripping. I am dripping and I can't have the fans on. Do you even understand? I can't hold it.
Strawberry Shortcake. My shoe's looking swell. A cute little doll with a strawberry smile.
Why yes, that was 3-year-old me singing the commercial.